Imagine a sheet metal folding machine that requires minimal effort to maintain and operate, all while delivering efficiency, precision, and safety. With the Evo Bend, you have all those things. Safety is paramount. Evo Bend is fully enclosed, equipped with safety fences, light curtains, and lasers for maximum protection. Plus, the Evo Bend is incredibly space-saving, consuming 30% less space than traditional machines. This is thanks to the lack of a hydraulic unit and retractable safety fences. The model you see here is the model D300. This is the most compact Evo Bend in the up-down folder series, measuring at 10 feet in bending width. However, there are other models available in the lineup, including the standard size of 21 feet. Controlling the Evo Bend is very simple for just one operator. All you do is place your material and the machine does the rest. What truly distinguishes the Evo Bend from anything else on the market is that it is fully electric, driven entirely by servo motors. This not only ensures remarkable precision, but also results in minimal maintenance. Unlike most other long folders, it operates without linkages, further enhancing its precision and reducing maintenance requirements to a minimum. Where Evo Bend truly shines is its precision. It provides an unparalleled 300-degree bending freedom, guaranteeing profiles with exceptional accuracy and consistency. It can also perform hems with its unique hook-like tooling. A feat called pinching is only achievable due to the servo motors, this distinctive tooling design, and the movement of it being completely linkages-free. Unlike standard machines that require operators to physically force the material, Evo Bend handles it effortlessly. This helps not only the fatigue of the operator, but increases safety by far. The Evo Bend is not just a machine, it's a game changer in sheet metal bending. This is why Roper Whitney has partnered with Evo Bend to provide you with the most revolutionary machinery. Are you ready to transform your metal fabrication process? Contact us today and find out how the Evo Bend can revolutionize your business.